Yeah, Princess Peach, we're gonna start doing construction today. All of the construction trucks are coming right now. Yeah, we're here to build your castle. Yay! Let's see. You can get started anytime you want. Yeah, no problem, Mario. We'd love to, but there's supposed to be a construction site here. We can't build a castle without a construction site. A construction site? Oh, we don't have one of those. Well, we just won't be able to build a castle then, I don't think. Oh no, Mario, you promised me a castle. Oh no, what are we gonna do? Mamma mia! Oh no, guys, did you see that? Mario's trying to build a castle for Princess Peach, but he can't because the construction trucks don't have a construction site. Oh, if only we had a construction site so that the construction trucks could build Princess Peach a castle. Well, now we do with the Fast Lane Construction Playset. Yeah, the Fast Lane Construction Playset is the perfect way to get a construction site. Here, look, let me show you. See? Fast Lane Construction Playset. It's a cool playset that's got a rotating and extendable crane and lights and sounds. That's perfect. I love lights and sounds. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vehicles. That's a lot of vehicles. Ooh, and it's got all sorts of cool stuff that you can do with it, like a big boulder ball that swings back and forth. It's got a working drawbridge, a twist and turn platform, and a rock tumbler that fills your trucks up with boulders. Look at these kids right here, playing with the Fast Lane Construction Playset. Very lucky you've got a construction playset so that you can build castles and stuff with, kids. Anyway, are you guys ready to open up the Fast Lane Construction Playset and set it up and see if we can build Princess Peach your castle? Me too! Let's do it! Okay, construction playset, we have to take you out of the box so that we can start. Whoa, look at all these pieces in here! There's a lot of pieces in this thing! Look at all the pieces in there! There's all of that pieces! That looks like an elevator piece! Whoa, look at that one! That looks super important! You need these pieces too so that you can build the ramps and stuff with! Look at this, is like elevator pieces! This must be where all the rocks come down and stuff! Look at this! This one, you can see it. Look at this one. This one here. Oh, look at this giant flag. Oh, look at this. These are instructions and stuff. We need to use these instructions so that we can build this playset and put it together. Although we gotta put this together. Here it is, guys. The Fast Lane Construction Playset. All out of the box and ready to start building stuff. Would you like to take a closer look at the Fast Lane Construction Playset? Of course you would! Let me show you the Fast Lane Construction Playset! Here it is, guys, the Fast Lane Construction Playset, and look how big it is! Holy smokes! I don't even know where to start! There's so many cool things on here! Oh, wow! There's an elevator that goes all the way to the top here, and then this is where all of the construction trucks can drive all the way around the playset so they can do important construction stuff. Check it out, there's a cool crane over here with a wrecking ball on it. Boom, boom, boom. Don't wreck that wrecking crane, that's part of the construction site. See, when you crank the handle, the wrecking ball goes down and then it comes back up. And watch this. See, look, you're gonna want a wrecking ball on here. No problem, you can take it off and it comes with this cool claw thingy here. See, this is so that you can pick up rocks and stuff. You just put it right here on the hook. No problem! And look at that, it can go all the way back down. All the way back up. Oh, and look down here. This is the play mat that it comes with. This is the construction site where it's got all sorts of dirt and stuff. And look at all these cool trucks. So you get a dump truck, and then you get another dump truck, and you get a dirt pusher truck, and you get a steamroller truck, and then you get a truck that can dig stuff out. That's 5 trucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a lot of trucks. And watch this. All the trucks can go over here into the elevator. Driving up into the elevator, please. See, the truck could go right over there, and then when you turn the handle up here, the truck goes up. Oh, going up, truck. Nice job. See, when the truck comes out, the little rail tips, and then the truck can come out. And then it could drive over this way. Okay, I'm ready to go down now. See, and when you tip this up, boom, there goes the truck. Oh, all the way down here. Whoa, and check this out. This has got a place where you can dump all your rocks and stuff over here. Gotta gotta dump the rocks. Oh, and it's got a gas station. Bing, bing, bing. I need some gas, please. Fill it up. Oh, and watch this. See, like you need to get all your boulders in the back of the truck. You just back it up here. Beep, 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 beep. And look it over here. This is where the boulders go. Oh, yeah. And look at this. It's a pack of boulders. See, there are little rocks in there. All you gotta do is open up the boulders and pour them in. Okay, boulders, you gotta go inside of the boulder dropper. Whoa, that's a lot of boulders. Look at all those boulders. See, and once they're in there, you just turn this handle right over here, and then they all fall down all the way into here, into the back of the truck. Okay, prepare to drop boulders. All right, yeah, nice job. See, now the truck has all the boulders in it. Okay, now we gotta take these boulders down to the very bottom. Okay, truck, be careful, don't drop any of the boulders. See, here it comes around the corner. See, and then the truck will come right down here, and then, okay, hold on, truck. Don't go any further. We're gonna have to drop those boulders over here. Okay, no problem. And watch this. See, when you turn this, the crane comes out. Oh, no. Okay, now we can drop our boulders in here. Pretty close, see? Now the boulders are in there. Oh, perfect. Okay, now we gotta back up our other dump truck. Boop, 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 boop. Gotta put it right under here, just like this. Here we go. Turn the back around. Here goes the boulders. Watch this, guys. See, the boulders are gonna come out of here. Boop, boop, boop. Load up the other truck. Nice. Okay, we got the boulders. Oh, good job, guys. We moved the boulders. What are we gonna do with them now? I don't know. Let's take them back over here. See, then you can bring them back over here, and then you can dump the boulders back in here again. Okay, we need them back up top right away. No problem. Boop, boop, boop. Just dump them in there like that. Boulders are all ready, boulders are all ready to go. See, then watch this, guys. You lift it up. And watch this. They're gonna go right back down in here. Drop off boulders. Whoa, look, they went right back into the boulder tray. Cool. Oh, and look at this. There's another tray for boulders right up here. Okay, dump truck, we're gonna need you back up top here so that we can get more boulders. Okay, no problem. Gotta come back down. Open the gate. No. Okay. Let's go back across here again. Bring down the elevator. Okay, elevator down. Come on, dump truck, go back up. No problem. Okay, bring the truck back up. Okay, we're at the top now. Coming around. Okay, we're ready for some boulders. Okay, let's use our crane. Okay, we're gonna have to use the crane, and we're gonna have to pick some boulders up right here. Lower crane. No problem, Konas2002. Okay, crane lowered. Okay, pick up some boulders. Now let's turn the crane this way. Okay, gotta crank it up a little higher. Okay, right there looks about good. Okay, get ready to dump the boulders. Dumping the boulders. Boom! Look, see guys, they go right inside of there. Okay, are you ready, dump truck? Ready. Okay, open hatch. Whoa, we got the boulders back again. Okay, let's get out of here now. We gotta get these boulders down right away. Beep, 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 beep. Ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, we're coming through with the boulders. Stand by. Here it goes. Okay, let's go this way this time. Turn around this way. Okay, we're coming down this way now, guys. Oh, that's a good job with the boulders. Yeah, I know. Okay, now it's Steamroller's turn to go up there. Okay, yeah, I gotta go steamroll some stuff. See? Okay, watch this. See, guys, check this out. Steamroller can go right up here. Oh, wait a minute, I can't get across. I don't know what I'm gonna do. That's no problem because check this out. It's a drawbridge. See, the drawbridge comes right down just like this. Now you can get across, Steamroller. Okay, thanks, Konas2002. Whoa, look at it, it goes right across. Hey, perfect. Okay, you can come through now, Steamroller. All right, yeah, we did it. We got across. Oh, and look at over here. It looks like these guys are in a deep, deep mine, getting ready to dig out some more stuff. Nice job, guys. Look at all that cool equipment and everything that they got going on over there. Hey, yeah, we'll go help you guys dig that out. Oh, that's a good idea. We probably need all the help they can get over there, guys. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh, and look up here. On the top of the crane, there's all sorts of cool sounds and stuff. See the buttons? You just push on the buttons and it makes all sorts of cool construction noises. Whoa, this thing is amazing! Hey, wait a minute. Do you guys think we could try to build Princess Peach's castle now? Yeah, let's try to build Princess Peach's castle! Okay, guys, bring it on in. We're coming. All right, here's the castle. Wow, it looks great. All right, we just gotta get it up on the crane so that we can get it in place. Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, get the crane set up. Okay, good idea, guys. Okay, lower the hook. Okay, get Princess Peach's castle on there. Okay, castle attached. Okay, let's get it up a little higher, guys. Okay, swing it around. We gotta swing that castle around and get it in place. Yeah, be careful though. We don't want to drop it and make Princess Peach and Mario mad. Whoa, that crane sure is strong. I know that castle's really gotta be heavy. Okay, let's lower the castle and get it in place. Crank the handle down. Alright, nice job, guys. Looks like that's a good place for it. Okay, unhook the castle from the crane. Alright, nice job, everybody. Okay, let's see how it looks. Hey, it looks great. Come on, everybody. Yeah, good job. You all did a really good job getting this built. I know, it took a team effort. All the construction. Oh, look, this is my castle. Wow, this castle looks great, guys. Yeah, we got it all built for you, Princess Peach. Hope you guys are going to be really happy in there. Mamma mia! Totally awesome castle. We're very happy you guys built it. Thank you so much. No problem, Princess Peach. No problem, Mario. Wow, guys, we totally did it. We totally got a castle built for Princess Peach and Mario. And it's all thanks to the Fast Lane Construction Playset. Yay! Whoa, that construction site is huge. I bet we could build all sorts of stuff now. Anyway, guys, we're going to keep building stuff with the playset. And while we're doing that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and tell all your friends about the video. And why not check out some other videos while you're on the channel. And we love you guys. And we love the Fast Lane Construction Playset. And we'll see you guys soon. Thanks, guys. Love you guys. Bye.